Hey guys, Sean Terry here. Would you believe it is Memorial Day 2021? Where did this year go? Well, here's the thing. I've got a ridiculous 90% off Memorial Day sale right here. And you get all my best-selling products and software packages, and it's amazing, 90% off. And just check out this video right here. I'm gonna show you exactly what you get, and you don't wanna miss out because we have a limited amount. Up here above is how many units we are actually going to offer this 90% off. So once that goes to zero, the timer goes to zero, this sale is gone. We do it once a year. Now is the time. You get this current package right here. You won't see this again. So here's below everything you get. Everything you get with this 2021 Memorial Day super sale, that is here, literally $8,282 of our best software and products at 92% off. Plus, you get $5,600 in bonuses as well. So here's everything you get. First off, Remote Millions. This is the premier course on how to do deals nationally, how to pick a market, how to generate leads for $36 a piece, and how to contract over the phone, talking to sellers and get properties under contract. Then the 5-step process and exactly how to sell those properties in any market across the country, how to value the properties, what to offer when you have a property in a small town. So this is the premier course. Literally allowed me to scale from a local market to national all across the entire country and blow up. This is Remote Millions. Next one is PPC Secrets. This, literally, I've had more people change their lives because of this product right here. This right here will show you specifically, step by step, video by video. You can watch, and each video is like 5 to 7 minutes. You can watch it, pause it, and implement it. And you can be up and running with a pay-per-click advertising campaign, getting leads all over the entire country. In less than 30 minutes, you can be up online getting leads. So this is an incredible course, Pay-Per-Click Secrets. Once you understand this, you will never have a lead problem ever again. You'll never have to cold call. You'll never have to text. And guess what? You can do it on the cheap. You can start as little as $25 a day for your campaign. So this is all the training inside. It's amazing. All right, all you gotta do is click here to get started. Plus, Freedom Logic. This is the best tool. It literally replaces Podio, OnCarrot, CallRail, DocuSign, MailChimp, Lead Sherpa. It is the #1 automated tool that we use, right, to run our entire business. KPIs. All of our leads go in here. It has websites in here. It has everything. So this alone is amazing. This alone is the price of admission right here. It's been an absolute game changer. $1,600, $97 value. Down payment arbitrage. How to do deals when there is no equity. How do you get deals done when there's no equity? How do you do when there's little equity? We talk about wrapping the underlying note subject to transactions and be able to arbitrage those. This is Down Payment Arbitrage, one of the best-selling products. We have great stories in here from people crushing it. I mean, just getting $37,000. Shout out to Sean Terry. These are really, really cool. So that is $8,882 for $597. Plus, you get Freedom Logic with my fault, REI Automator. With Freedom Logic and REI Automator, that's all you need. This allows you to go in any market, see any property, find out exactly everything you need to know about the property, and also be able to pull lists, the best list. You got lists in there like pre-probate. You got tax default. You got high equity. You got vacant high equity landlords that are distressed. There's distressed properties. There's MLS access. It's amazing. REI Automator is by far one of the best. And Freedom Logic is the only software we use. Here's another check right here. We got this one. Beast Mode. Boom. Got this check right here, $19,000. Now, this is huge. I'm going to do a 2-day live implementation training myself And I'm going to show you how to make your first $15,000 check remote wholesaling. So I'm going to teach it myself. I'm going to be able to answer questions, and I'm going to use these products and tools to be able to go out. So obviously you get this, and I'm going to show you how to use it and get your first $15,000 check step by step, the entire process to make it happen. So that is taught live by me for we got 75 spots here. So for the first 75 people that sign up, and we're keeping it limited. So obviously I'm not answering questions all day long on here. So we're keeping that limited here. So plus you get all these bonuses, live coaching calls. I do every other week, answer questions, talk about cool stuff, coaching calls. These are all the archives. You get our best spreadsheets. You got our huge vaults of forms and contracts. Plus, you get a custom Covert intuitive presentation, which is awesome. Plus, here's some more great testimonials right here. Access to our private members only Facebook group. And we have Deal or No Deal. So every other week, I get on with you with a coaching call. Every other week than that, so literally every week, then we have Deal or No Deal. Brandon, my right-hand man, he will go through and analyze deals and tell you what to offer on properties. And we have incredible Apple-like support. Chelsea and the team can help you out. World-class customer service. This is all optimized for mobile, so you can watch this pretty much anywhere. Lifetime product. We have access to it. You have lifetime access to it. And it's designed to get right to the point, which is awesome. So all you got to do is click here, add it to your order. You don't want to miss out on this. Once 75 spots is gone, once the clock hits 0, this will be over, and don't want you to miss out. So this is a great thing. We do this once a year, and now's the time. So all you got to do is add to order, say yes, I want it, get started, and I'll see you in the membership site. God bless.